Guys, I'm sorry again. Last time, right? I'm sorry again بس هدي last time لأنه we passed another 40 minutes.
Yes. بنخلص أصلاً يعني خلصت أنا بعد شوي وخلص. So رح كفي أنا رح خلص بدي بس بعد عندي شوي لإلكن. كنت عم بحكي عن وين معقول نلاقي وشو بدنا بالحياة خارج الكوكب الأرض. هي بنسميها المكان المأهول اللي معقول يكون فيه habitable zone. يعني لازم يكون إذا كان عنده شمس لازم يكون الكوكب distance تبعه لا بينحرق ولا بيسقع. يعني بتشوفوا إنه مارس هو على الليميت على الحافة وفينوس كتير حامي يعني وساتورن وجوبيتر وكذا كتير هن مسقعين. ما بي أنا ما عم بعملكم يمكن شيرينج بلا. ولحتى خلص بعدين بخليكم تسألوا أسئلة. طلبت مني وبعدين بنخلي لغير مرة كيف بنكتشف الكواكب وشو يعني الحياة وعشو عم نفتش. هلا رح فرجيكم أحلى صور. أنا مش أحلى صور one of the best pictures يعني اللي أنا بحبها بالفضاء وهن كتير كتار يعني بس إنه في عندي هيك كم صورة عزيزين على قلبي. أنا بشجع الكل يعني يفتحوا قلبهم ويفتحوا عيونهم ولحتى يطلعوا على الفضاء. هيدي الصورة هي الهارت نيبولا لمارون محفوظ وعن جد كتير حلوة وهي كمان محطوطة بهارت اند سول نيبولا مصورة كمان مارون حبيب. هيدي الصورة هي جامعة عدة صور للبنانيز أستروفوتوغرافرز وبشجع كل اللبنانية إنه ياخدوا صور للسما ويطلعوا على الجبال. في عنا ميشيل مخلوطة، دانيال كركش، أنطوني صعب، زياد الزعتري وعن جد وعلي جوهر وعن جد كلهم وأسعد تدرس كلهم بحييهم برافو بقلهم. وفي عندي هون كمان الوردة الكبيرة والنجم اللي كانت عم ترسم الفضاء لأنه أنا كمان بعمل workshops مثل فرح بشجع الأولاد للعلم ناي فارس بليتل ساينتست. وعندي هون كمان مع الليتل ساينتست نور وناي نعمة كانوا عم يعملوا هيك السولار سيستم. وفي صورة أخذت the best picture one of the 10 أحلى صور بسكاي نايت لمارون حبيب كمان عم بيعمل هلأ ماسترز in astrophysics. وعندي هيدي الصورة لأحمد خبكنجي. هو he is artist بس digital artist. هيدي وقت اكتشفنا I think it is the Dorado لشوف وين. Yes, it is رسمها. It's a red dwarf. It's an Earth-like 101 light years. So it's an artist view. So this is it. Thank you so much. بنخلي لهم وقت يسألوا. شو رأيك؟
Thank you so much, Doctor. Yes, please. إذا أي حدا عنده سؤال please ask.
يعني أنا كتير قطشت من كل شيء محضرته شلت كتير لأنه صرت أطلع بالوقت عم بيمرق.
Professor عندي سؤال.
Thank you so much.
هاي ريان.
كيفك دكتور سيرين؟ مشتاقين.
ذكرتك بالاستروسايكولوجي in space شفت؟
Exactly. Thank you so much. عندي سؤال بروفيسور، شو يعني لما يقولوا gravity is a weak force؟ شو يعني لما يقولوا هيدا الشيء إنه it's not the strongest force out there؟
Of course. Best to make a point, we have four forces in the space in the nature. لا خامسة لهما. The gravity, the electromagnetic force, the weak force, and the nuclear force. The gravity هي the weakest one. ليش؟ لأنه هي it needs huge masses to be يعني لتلعب to play its roles. When you know that it is the weakest one لأنه ما بتأثر على الالكترونز أو على البروتونز. If you are dealing إذا جبت أنت الإلكترون والبروتون it will not influence on the it will not be influenced on the gravity. يعني the standard value, the constant of the gravitational force أصغر بكتير من ال constant, the standard, the minimum of the electrostatic force or the nuclear force or عرفت يعني أنت when you put your إذا بدي أقول لك إياها بغير طريقة if you put your normalization to one everything the constants G, mu zero, beta أصغر وحدة هي for the gravity. عرفت؟
Thank you so much.
You're welcome حبيبي. حدا عنده سؤال؟
ايه انا عندي سؤال.
You have a problem with your connection حبيبي. Hi Joy Barwoodi.
Hi. What about the dark force, dark matter?
Yes, it's a very good question. What do you want to know about dark matter?
Because some people say that they don't believe about it, but I do. What's your opinion about this?
Thank you so much for your question. أول شيء it's not a question of believing or not. بس فهمت شو قصدك. Actually, we don't know what it is. يعني we have two things in the universe that are keeping us alive, if I can say. We have something that is attracting us and something that is pulling us away. مساقبة that what is pulling us away أكبر بشوي لأنه we are in an expansion. أكبر بشوي that is what is keeping us collapsing. And what is keeping us holding us يعني لقطنا بنسميه dark matter.
Gravity.
Dark matter. It is the gravity. وصلت لك. It is the gravity of what we call dark matter. كيف وصلت اسم name of the dark matter؟ ليش سميناها dark matter؟ Dark matter اجت من everything that does not emit in the electromagnetic spectra. يعني كل شيء that we cannot detect سميناه dark matter. So
it's invisible.
Yes, invisible مش بالفيزيبل بال 500
بالانفراريد ما بينقشع من كل شيء.
ولا شيء صح. هلا some scientists are saying that it may be something that can be detected in a detector not yet discovered. عرفت؟
Yes.
And some others are calling it dark matter. This is why في مشكل إنه في منهم بيقولوا it's a cold hydrogen that emit in something that we cannot know بسموهم دب مش دب بالأحمر يعني DIB. Okay? And some others بيقولوا no, those are dark matter that we don't know what it is. And until now لازم يكون في a lot of calculation from the beginning of the Big Bang and the density of the universe to know if it exists. بعد بدي أقول لك شغلة. Some of them are saying that those are matter that they are scattering light. تعرف شو يعني scattering؟
إنه تزيحوا.
تكوع اللايت to other directions. Yes, this is why we are not detecting it. There is a lot
okay.
of theories. I think, أنا برأيي, for the moment, we don't have data enough, and the models are very complicated and not one result. They are not dependent, يعني they are not independent. يعني إذا بتغير البارامتر رح يتغير الريزلت. We need to continue observing for me.
Okay. But one more question.
Go ahead, حبيبي.
What about the Artemis mission?
Yes.
Is delayed?
Everything is delayed now.
Oh, okay.
لأنه we cannot take the risk to contaminate the space.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Professor Ali, سؤال تاني. What is your opinion on string theory? Like the concept of like there are like 11 dimensions وهالاشياء. Is it like, are you on the side of string theory or not? I wanted to know.
In a quantum level, yes.
Can you elaborate if you don't mind? Can you explain more?
يعني,
Sorry.
when you go on a quantum level and when you see that there are several layers in the quanta, yes, there is it is a string thing. يعني انت if you see the levels of the several dimensions and string theory بالquantum ما عم بحكي عن string theory of the big بالماكرو, in the quantum level. Yes, it is. مش إنه it is a fact. You know that we have in the quanta the vibration of the quartz and the quanta, they vibrate on 11 dimensions. I will not go into quantum now.
Yeah.
I don't know if I answered your question, Ryan.
You did. I just wanted to know like why people disagree with it. بس هيك, because a lot of people agree.
I tell you why. Because they mixed between the string theory of the formation of the universe, and they think that the universe is 11 dimension, and the quantum coexistence in the quantum من جوا الصغير تبع 11 dimension.
Okay. Makes so much sense. Makes sense.
Any question?
Hi, Professor.
Go ahead.
Hi.
Hi.
Thank you so much for the lecture. I absolutely loved it. And I just wanted to say that throughout the course of what you were explaining, what really caught my attention is this surface layer of the water that was described in the video. And it was very shocking because I thought for a second that there might actually be something of another dimension. Like, do you think that even other dimensions would exist even in the smallest particles or the smallest like things such as water and like molecules?
Well, you want my opinion? My I think yes.
Yes, I do.
Yes, and I think that it's very possible that other dimensions exist and we are not aware of it. I will give you an example, but this is my opinion, and I am responsible of my opinion because several scientists, they refuse to say it. Okay, and maybe I will be killed by my colleague astrophysicist for saying this. If you take a small microbe, okay, a small virus, okay, no, not virus, I don't want to say this word. Okay, a small bug, and a small, really very, very small bug, and you take a ball of 2 kilometers radii or diameter. You put the bug on this ball, it will see that it is 2-dimension. No, it will feel like ما هيك?
Yes.
But you know, because you are bigger than it and more elaborated than it, you will know that it is a 3-dimensional ball. بس هي لأنه زغطورة and مش واعية وما فيها تعلي, she will see it as 2-dimensional. So
Mhm.
I think that we live in a 3D world with the time. We don't know yet about the 4th dimension, which is the gravity.
Mhm.
I think that, and if someone came with its 4th dimension, we will not know it. We will not see it. We will just see it with our brain, which is a 3D.
Okay. So we can like imagine a world beyond the three-dimensionality, but it's not
Cannot.
visible.
We
Yeah,
don't.
yeah.
We don't know how it is. So imagine.
Ah,
Listen, I always tell my students, imagine that you can talk with your cat. You can always
okay.
talk with your cat, but you don't expect him to answer,
That's
can you?
true.
Yeah.
No? Okay, I got your point. Thank you very much.
Did I answer your question?
Yes, you did. It's amazing. Thank you.
Any other question?
DrCy, I would like to ask what happened like a few days ago in Nigeria.
Yes, it's very normal. I mean, we live. Let me see if I have a picture of that. We live in a belt, asteroid belt, and we are surrounded by it. Okay, so it's very normal that from time to time we have something that will hit us, and it is really very, very normal. So from time to time this thing will hit us. Halla, we are lucky if it will not hit us on a building. You know, we're lucky, but if it will hit us on a building, so in the center we have the sun, and the big blue dots are the planets, and the green ones are the asteroids. So on down on the left, 1984 is the discoveries, the year of the discoveries, and the number of asteroids that we are discovering. Those asteroids بيجوا because of the formation of the sun. يعني لما خبرتكم أنا إنه الغيمة تعمل كولابس وبتبج بتشبك هيك particles، هول البارتيكلز بقيوا ما عملوا planets، بقيوا حجار صغيرة. So it's very normal to be attracted by the gravity، بيحترقوا بالاتموسفير وبينزلوا على الأرض. هلا في ب 29th of April عم بيقولوا انه جاي استرويد كبير وبده يضرب بالارض، اسمه بتصور OR 1994 شيء هيك. ليش اسمه هيك؟ لانه اكتشفوه بال 1994 وبيمرق كل 32 سنه مره. This one رح يمرق يا صديقتي بعيد 6.3 مليون كيلومتر بعيد عن الارض. فانا باكد لهم انه يخافوا من الكورونا وما يخافوا من الاسترويد هيدا. So it's very normal. Yes. بس إذا بتشوفي at the end شوفي قد إيه نحن حوالينا في look. This is it, the number of asteroids اللي محاوطيننا. So we live in a belt of حجار. So we're lucky إنه مش كل يوم بينزل علينا حجرة يعني. Yeah. Anyone عنده بعد سؤال؟ اوكي، اذا لا شو رايك؟ Shall we?
Thank you so much, Doctor, for your time. It was very informative, much needed. Thank you so much.
أنا بركي next week إذا بدك.
Yes.
وقت تكون بنعمل how to detect exoplanet the method، وبحط videos about the launch of James Webb، لأن هو اللي كنت بدي أحطهم بس ما في وقت يعني كنت طلعت ساعتين. No too much.
Yes.
عرفتي؟ في chat.
Yes, yes. Please check.
سوري جاني بتقلي ثانك يو ما شفتهم. ثانك يو حبيبتي. ميرسي لين. ميرسي نور. احمد ثانك يو سو ماتش. هلا لك عم شوف انه في تشات. انتوني ثانك يو سو ماتش. ريان باي. ثانك يو ديانا. تشاو. ثانك يو.
Guys, if you want to register for the second session, please contact us again. Okay, so so we can book for that, all right?
Guys and girls, everyone, sent to Let's Graduate and Miss or Madam للجميل الأمورة السيدة فرح كمان please and be there for the next session. مبدئيا Friday إذا بعدنا محجوزة بدبي وإذا مش محجوزة كمان Friday. يلا ciao, take care, thank you so much.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye. Thank you, Joseph.